can't tell if I just got shot at. All right, move to a different spot.